forecast.
It looks like when Ben was filming that story, the sun was out, there was no clouds in the sky, and unfortunately, we're not looking like that. We are starting a bit depressing, I would say, this Saturday morning. You could take a look downtown. It's looking cloudy. Otay Mountain, you can't even see the view because of that fog and that cloud cover. But good news is that we could be seeing some sun later on today, but we're starting off with just temperatures way below average, way below what we started the week off with, and we have some rain chances this morning, and we have a wind advisory in the deserts. Lots going on, but let's get right to it. We have been seeing visibility concerns throughout the week in the mornings in the mountain areas and the coast, but looks like today Oceanside is the only place kind of seeing those concerns, so make sure you're aware of those conditions as you head out to the road this morning if you're going to Oceanside. Other than that, we are waking up cool. Like I mentioned, Ramona just at 48 degrees, San Diego at 60, Kearney Mesa, Oceanside, El Cajon just sitting in the low 50s. And we're not going to be warming up too much, unfortunately, today. Inland, we could take a look here inland hour by hour. By noon, just 61 degrees. At the beginning of the week, we were in the 70s, almost 80s. And today we are expecting chances of rain. In the morning, not so much, but then in the afternoon is when those chances of rain could be picking up, most likely around 1 p.m. and at night. But just have your umbrella ready if you're out and about today. You don't want to be hit with the rain and not be prepared. So now you know that we could be expecting some rain chances. Other than that, these are your other highs today, mostly sitting in the 60s, but the deserts are in the 80s. We do have this lower pressure system up north, which is bringing this cool down. It is a couple of degrees, but we're definitely feeling it. We're used to the nicer, warmer weather here in San Diego, and I just want to take you to make you take a look at the cloud cover that we're going to be experiencing. The green is those rain chances. We're not expecting a lot of rain. It's just 1/100 of an inch, but just make sure that you're aware of that. And tomorrow it's going to be looking like a lot of cloud cover all day long. For that wind advisory will be for the deserts, Ocotillo Wells by tonight could be seeing wind gusts of up to 48 miles per hour. Borrego Springs as well, quite strong. The rest of our region will be feeling breezy as well, but that wind advisory is just in the deserts. It will expire at 11, and then tomorrow even stronger winds, 50 miles per hour in Ocotillo Wells by tomorrow afternoon. Your next 3 days, we're looking not a change in temperatures until Tuesday. That's when we could be seeing a warm up. In terms of rain, since we have rain tomorrow, today, will we have rain tomorrow? We can take a look here. The chances of rain will just be in the morning. So today is just the only day that you could be expecting some showers. Other than that, see those temperatures rising up by the end of next week. Your inland areas also, we're in the 60s this weekend, but by Tuesday we could be in the 70s, and the mountains 40s this weekend, and then by Tuesday we could be in the upper 60s. Your deserts as well, we have that wind advisory. It's going to be a windy weekend, but then temperatures could be going back up to the 90s by Tuesday. Lots of sun. We are expecting just a very cloudy weekend, but the rest of next week I think is when the good news come, because the temperatures will be warming up.